POCO Pad na Harry Potter Edition? Paano nangyari yun? Itong tablet ito, meron siyang Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 na processor, 12.1-inch ang kanyang screen with 120Hz of screen refresh rate, 10,000 mAh ang kanyang battery, pretty large, and it's running Android 14 with a big storage of 256GB. Naintriga ka? Sabihin ko sa'yo after this quick intro. So nakita na guys, ang POCO Pad na may 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage is currently priced at 15,999. And ang POCO Pad na Harry Potter Edition, aka Redmi Pad Pro ang kanyang rebranding with the 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. But this one comes and is link on the description. It is quite a light na tablet. It's weighing it at around mga 571 grams. Which is, I think, pretty not bad for a 12-incher na tablet. It has two camera bump dito sa likod, pero huwag kayong magkamali. It only has one camera sensor here, which is a 8MP na main shooter, and a LED flash dito sa ilalim. Nakasulat dito, it's being powered by Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision, and it has 4 speakers. Dalawa sa ibabaw, and dalawa sa ilalim. And look guys, bonus, meron pa siyang audio jack dito. And what's nice dito sa kanya, meron pa siyang expansion para sa storage. It can accommodate up to another 1TB of storage. And meron akong chismis sa inyo, baka magkaroon pa daw ng POCO Pad 5G. Sana magkatotoo. And of course, some accessories na pwedeng bilhin. Pwede kayo bumili ng keyboard cover. Plus, meron din POCO pen na magiging compatible dito, which is definitely sold separately. Wala lang ako nahiram ng POCO pen, so hindi ako makapag-try mag-drawing dito sa tablet na ito. But I'm pretty sure it's really smooth. And this tablet is being powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2. It's not probably the most powerful on a tablet na meron, but for a first-timer like POCO, pretty not bad na ang kanilang selection. Buti nga di Snapdragon Gen 6 series. And nung sinalang ko siya sa Antutu benchmark, nakakuha pa siya ng 549,000 points. And nung binigdown ko siya, this is the score that I got. 792 ang kanilang loop score dito sa Wildlife Extreme, but nakakuha siya ng 99% na stability. Ito ang score na nakuha ko sa Geekbench para sa kanilang CPU benchmarking. Ito naman sa GPU benchmarking. I would say solid naman ang kanyang thermal throttling test dito and almost all green naman, and nag-throttle siya sa 86% ng kanyang max performance. Now, probably one of the good thing na meron dito sa tablet na ito, which is rare sa ibang mga tablet, it has a really big battery size. 10,000 mAh, almost as good as one whole power bank na nabibili natin. And this one can support up to 33 watts na fast charging. So, charging from 0 to 100 takes around mga 2.5 hours kasi malaki naman yung battery. And what's nice dito sa kanya, it can last you the whole day. As long as you're using it normally, wala akong problema. And sinalang ko rin siya sa battery stress test sa PC Mark and setting it at 50% brightness and 60Hz na screen refresh rate. 15 hours guys, nakuha natin dito sa kanya, which is pretty impressive for me. Now, with a screen this big, I'm pretty sure na best to for entertainment. With a 12.1-inch na IPS LCD, it has a refresh rate of up to 120Hz. Meron din siyang Dolby Vision support and 600 nits ang kanyang max brightness. Ang kanyang front glass is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5, aluminum side frames, and aluminum ng kanyang likod. I would say perfect tong tablet na ito if you love to binge watch yung mga shows sa YouTube, sa Netflix. Wala kang maging problema dito dahil sobrang nice ang kanyang display. Probably not as nice as mga AMOLED display, but I would say dito sa tablet na ito, you can definitely enjoy enjoy with the whole family, buong barkada, mga classmate mo, or whoever else. Perfect na perfect to for watching the NBA Finals. And kung mahilig ka naman manood ng HD, perfect na perfect to kasi meron din siyang level 1 na wide security level. Guaranteed. So what's nice dito sa tablet na ito, it has a game turbo mode which enables you to host all of your favorite games dito sa loob. Which I think it's simply perfect dito kasi kahit alam naman natin hindi to gaming tablet, but this one can give you a decent gaming experience. So whenever naglalaro ka dito sa tablet na ito, all you need to do from the top left corner, swipe out ka lang and pwede mo i-set sa performance mode. So naglaro tayo ng dalawang games dito, Farlight 84 and Mobile Legends. So sa Mobile Legends, expect mo na okay itong gameplay na ito. It was quite smooth, even though na hindi mo naman siya pwede set sa ultra. The gameplay was okay. Wala akong na-feel na lag sa kanya and nag-play ako ng 30 minutes dito. Halos hindi naman siya masyado uminit dito sa tablet na ito. Pagdating mo sa Farlight 84, pwede mo siya i-set sa ultra, but I suggest na babaan mo siya ng konti kasi nung nilaro ko siya sa ultra, medyo mafe-feel mo talaga frame drops. Nung binaba ko siya sa HD, gumanda ang gameplay ko, mas smoother, but of course, syempre, there's a little bit of sacrifice pagdating sa graphics. But overall, the gameplay was a lot better nung binabaan ko siya. To my surprise, after playing for 1 whole hour, very minimal ang lags and frame drops dito sa game na ito. And ang pinakamainit na na-achieve na itong tablet ito is around mga 40 degrees Celsius. So napag-usapan natin quickly ang performance ng kanyang camera. This one has a 8MP na rear camera with a video recording capability of up to 1080 and 30 FPS. And ang kanyang front one is also the same, 8MP, which can also shoot you up to 1080 and 30. So right now, try lang natin mag-vlog using itong tablet na ito. And i-record natin using its default microphone. Check lang natin kung gaano ka-okay ang quality niya pagdating sa video and audio. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and you're watching the POCO Pad full review. Meron akong chismis sa inyo guys na probably soon magkakaroon din daw ng POCO Pad 5G which pwede mong lagyan ng SIM card dito. Siguro Globe Smart dito, walang maging problema dito sa tablet na ito. And I'm pretty sure na it's going to be a good selling tablet once na magkaroon siya ng 5G capability. So guys, ano tingin niyo sa quality? Let me know in the comments. Napag-usapan natin some outdoor shot na nakuha ko using this tablet. And normally, you won't see me using a tablet to take outdoor shot. But for the sake of showing you the capability na kaya ng POCO Pad for camera, these are some of the shots. Now, for outdoors, you'll be getting some average shot. Hindi siya ganun ka-sharp, katamtaman lang. And there are times na papansin mo pag zoomin mo, medyo soft mga photos na nakuha natin sa mga flowers. And equally said din dito, kasi pag zoomin mo siya, medyo nagiging soft na siya. Same with this other flower shots na nakuha natin. It's also quite soft pag zoom in mo siya. And mapapansin natin when you're taking in greens, medyo nag-fade siya konti. A little bit wash out. Hindi siya yung green na ina-expect ko sa kanya. But it's a little bit more of yung namumuti na green. So, hindi siya ganun kaganda when you're using it for photography ng mga greens. But pag kinuha naman natin shot na ito, dito sa bato na ito, as usual, okay naman. There are some details dito, but if you zoom it in, mapapansin mo talaga medyo lumalabo na siya. It's really getting softer. Na pag nasa indoor ka naman, taking in some food shot, I would say na okay naman siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-sharp tingnan, hindi rin siya ganun ka-attractive tingnan. But overall, the quality is just okay lang. Don't expect too much from it kasi this is just a camera from a tablet. I'm trying some low-light photography, okay lang din siya. Medyo a little bit pale lang kunti ka ng colors. Not to my expectation na medyo saturated konti, medyo sharp konti. Ang kanyang camera probably might be just good for taking mga documents and some photos just to send as your homework, as your requirements, but not for photography. And further, some indoor low light, I would say there are times na it can capture some good shots, but wag mo lang siya i-zoom kasi once na-zoom mo siya, talagang makikita mo, talagang nagsasoften na siya. Now, kung tinatry mo naman ang kanyang front-facing camera, at first, it seems to me na okay naman siya. But if you zoom it in, ayun, mapapansin mo, soft na nga rin talaga siya. And further, taking some outdoor shot is just average, nothing really special. If you're taking some indoor naman na selfie, I would say same lang sa halos sa outdoor. Pag medyo low light, mapapansin mo, medyo hirap siya. Now, since itong tablet nito, it has 4 loudspeakers, pakinggan lang natin ang quality ng sounds niya. Perfect na perfect ang kanyang energy dahil quite loud ang kanyang loudspeaker. So, you can enjoy it on Spotify, binge watching sa videos, and even gaming. So yan guys, nakita na ang full review ng POCO Pad aka Redmi Pad Pro, and this too is exactly the same naman. So hindi ko na masyado ginalaw to, but instead nag-concentrate tayo dito sa POCO Pad. I would say na magandang display. Probably one of the better display at this price point. And what's nice dito sa kanya, you can buy separately ang kanyang keyboard and ang kanyang pen should you need it. Perfect din siya for drawing and for other activities like entertainment and playing some games. This tablet can last you for a whole day without even charging. But if you are a Potterhead, ito ang dapat mong bilhin, ang Redmi Pad Pro na Harry Potter Edition. It's exactly the same naman sa POCO Pad except that this one has a special theme. Gawa din naman ni Xiaomi to eh. So if you're interested kung saan pwede mabili ng mga tablet na ito, I'll be linking on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a sub to this channel will definitely be awesome. I'll see you in the next one.
And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.